we have a red light runner. Well, this wraps it up, guys. If you would have any suggestions, any observations, or anything against what I've recorded in order to improve it, I am honored to hear them in the comment section. Really hope this recording was done properly, at least from the point of view, or the at least the way the angle of the camera was on my forehead. And really I am looking to bring you more and new drive tests, maybe, who knows, with different cars in the future, in this impressive video quality, at least for me. If you would like to support my channel, consider using the Amazon links you can find in the description of this video. Also, if you want to purchase my video gear, this GoPro Hero 7 Black, and all the accessories, the memory card, the head strap, and the screen protectors, again, you'll find the links in my influencer ones, and also in the comment section and in the description of the video. As always, thank you for watching and take care.